Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be bringing a review for you guys. It's going to be on this gorgeous hair. This hair is from a brand called Naijabeautyhair. 1 second. It's from a company called Naijabeautyhair, and this is what the box looks like. I've literally cause it went through a lot trying to get to me here in Kaduna, Nigeria. But this is what it looks like. Naijabeautyhair looks really weak. So they sent me 3 bundles and 1 frontal. It also came with a wig cap. You'll see that in the video. I wanted to show you guys, but you'll see me unbox it in the video. Please don't forget to let me know your thoughts on this video. Oh, I also used ghost bond glue for the first time. No, the second time. I used ghost bond glue for the second time, and honey, this is the second day I'm wearing this hair and it is laid. Like, it's not going anywhere. I also bleached my knots for the first time, like a lot of firsts in this video. Myself rather, so I normally give it out to people to do for me, but I did it myself, and tell me that's not looking like scalp, sis. Anyway, please I'll leave all the links to get this hair in my description box so that you can reach out to them if you're in Nigeria. I'm sure they ship out, but then mostly if you're in Nigeria, reach out to them. Very affordable as well. Like, they're having like Christmas sales. Very affordable hair. Yeah, let's just get right into the tutorial so I don't keep looking at myself in the monitor. Like I said, watch this video, let me know your thoughts. Kindly give me a thumbs up, share this video to your friends, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing to me, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. This is the hair. It comes in this box, and then when I opened the box, I had this like drawstring pouch which had the hair and the wig cap. Of course they sent the one that matched my skin tone almost. It was still light, but then hey. This is how the hair is. It comes in this sling bag. So they sent me 3 bundles of 20, 22 and 24 inches, which I'm showing you guys now, and an 18-inch frontal. So the hair came pretty pretty soft and neat and just nicely packed. It didn't have any weird smells, so I really like that. And then it was it was true to length, because the hair, some hairs will say they are 22, 20, and it was not. This one was really long and really nice, so I really love that about the hair. So I'm just showing you guys how the hair moves and how soft it is. This was 24, and you see how long it is. So these are all 3 bundles. I wanted to show you guys the sizes of all 3 bundles together, and I really don't think the hair is scanty. I think it's quite sizable for hair. Do check them out. Naijabeautyhair is their handle. Check them out on Instagram. They're having sales, especially for Christmas right now. This is a frontal. So the thing is, I really don't know how to pluck frontal, so I didn't even bother plucking this frontal at all. All I just did was to bleach the knots, which you'll see soon. But then the frontal too was pretty full. It was dense. It was dense as well. It wasn't scanty like those other wigs. This one was dense and nice. So I'm just showing you guys how the hair, how heavy it will be when I install everything. I see it's a pretty good density. Yeah, so I'm just showing you guys how the hair moves. Anyway, moving on to bleaching. I was most scared about this part. So I'm using the 12 volume developer, 12%, and olive oil bleach powder. So this one is blue, so it cancels out the brassiness in the when you dye the roots, it cancels out the brassiness, so that's why I got it. And I'm just placing that gently, obviously, on the frontal. I'm no expert at this, guys, so I really can't explain to you everything. I was literally watching a YouTube video as I was doing this. I was literally watching a YouTube video actually. So yeah, I really took my time with this, and I let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then I washed it off. So here I'm just showing you guys a clip of me making the wig. So I just started from the back, and I already laid the front first. Following the tutorials on YouTube, I laid the front first. This is my first time trying this out. So I laid the front first, sewed it down, and then I started sewing the back, so it was very easy to do. I'm just showing you guys what I meant. I laid the front, I brought the lace a bit forward, and I laid it properly, and then I went ahead to make the wig. So here I'm back home in my studio showing you guys how to lay the wig. I used the wig cap they gave me and I just got to be glued to lay down this stocking cap. Guys, there are like 1 trillion videos on YouTube on how to do stocking caps, so please go check it out. I watched it as well to learn how to do mine. But anyway, so this is the hair. I didn't put any product in this hair. I just literally left it on the wig since the day I made it. The wig head, the canvas head I'm holding. So I haven't put anything in that hair. And I'm just showing you guys the frontal, well cut and nice. I'm putting it on now. Obviously, you guys can see what I'm doing. But then I'm about to like cut the ears. This part I was also most scared about because I didn't want to like ruin my frontal. So guys, again, I didn't pluck this frontal. I might pluck it in the future, but right now I don't want to over pluck it and end up spoiling the lace and the frontal. So I'm not plucking it. I'm just going to give myself a nice center part. I'm using that tool to give myself I think center part with this hair was just so nice. So after like pinning the hair back, the next thing I'm going to do is to cut off the ear tabs. This part, it took me I had to be so careful and gentle, and it took me a whole lot of time to cut it. Not a whole lot of time, but I was just not careless cutting it, I had to be really careful. So once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and place glue, but before that I'll just pack all the hair back, push everything back so that none of the frontal is caught up in the glue. So this is me just making sure all of the hair is away from the glue, because the glue I'm going to be using is Ghost Bond. Wow. Ghost Bond. So I'm going to be using Ghost Bond today. This was my second time trying Ghost Bond. The first time I didn't do it so well, but the second time it came out nice. I just used hair mousse. That white stuff you just saw was hair mousse to kind of make the front of my hair slip down. So this is the Ghost Bond now. I'm just placing it on my skin. The first time I placed it was on my scalp, and it's on my wig cap, and it didn't even hold. It just melted the wig cap, but it didn't hold my head at all. So this time around I put it on my skin, and guys, this is like the 3rd day or 4th day I'm wearing this hair and it's staying put. So try out the Ghost Bond if you have issues, because got to be glued doesn't last for me. I sweat like crazy, so it doesn't last at all. So I'm using this and it's working for me so far, so good. I'm just going to use that lace to pull down the hair into the lace. I let it dry a bit. Why it's still a bit white is because I was sweating, and I heard I've seen reviews that once you're sweating while you're applying it, you're going to have what's it called, white spots. So those white spots will definitely dry up clear, so you have nothing to worry about. So I'm gently cutting off the excess lace that was left behind. I'm using that tiny scissors, taking my time. You're doing tiny zigzag motions on the hair. That's what I'm doing now, and I'm taking my time, guys. I didn't rush. So see how nicely that ear tab laid. It's not too close to my ear, and it's not so far from my ear either. So it's just perfect. I'm just doing that, and once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and tie down the scarf to press down the hair while I do my makeup. So yeah, I'm done with the wig so far. So I'm going to straighten the hair a bit with my hot comb before I go into my makeup. I've just finished. I took out the scarf, and then I'm just hot combing my hair, guys. There's nothing special, just hot comb through the hair. I should have used straightener, but a girl is lazy, so hot comb did it for me. So after this, I'm going to go do my makeup, and I'll be right back. So this is me just showing you guys that the hair looks like scalp, and my makeup is done. So that completes the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope you enjoyed seeing me get this hair together, get it to this point. I'm super proud of everything and how it turned out. As you saw, I used the Ghost Bond glue, and this hair is laid. It's not going anywhere. It's so laid. apparently it's going to be good for, you know, heavy sweaters, because I sweat a lot, especially on my scalp area. So let's see and hope that it lasts for long. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.